Hi everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook 菜花西红柿炒肉, cauliflower with meat and tomatoes. We're cooking on location in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Today we're gonna need cauliflower, pork chop cut into slices, and tomato. For the seasonings, we will have garlic salt, chicken bouillon, and soy sauce. First, let's deal with this cauliflower. Cut this big part out. Ideally, we want each little pieces be this size. I always like to cut this tomato into smaller pieces because tomato here is we just use it for flavor, not for a big chunk. Next, let's go ahead and cook it. Turn on the stove and add some olive oil in the pan, not too much, then wait till it's hot. Now let's put in the pork chops. Before the color change, give it some soy sauce. After you see the color change, it's time for the tomatoes. And we want to press it, let the juice come out from the tomato. Next, let's put some cauliflower in. Give it some garlic salt. Now let's add a little bit water in it. Another reason I have to add water in this one because I'm using a really flat pan. In general, Chinese cooking need a wok that is deeper so the water won't cook so fast. And at this time, if you have a lid for your pan, you can put it over it and let it cook better. While we still have the juice in it, let's add a little bit of chicken bouillon. If you're not sure how salty it is right now, you can just simply taste the soup. Okay, let's let it cook for a minute. Now we can see the cauliflower is getting softer, and you can try it before you put it on a plate for the flavors. If you don't think it's salty enough, add more garlic salt or soy sauce. Now let's take it out. Here is our cauliflower with tomato and pork. Let's welcome today's special guest taster, Lieta. Let's have a try.
Hello. So we want a piece of each kind, cauliflower, pork, and tomato.
How is it?
Fantastic. That is fantastic. 2 thumbs up.
Okay, that's it for today for Big Fan Secret Kitchen. I hope you like this dish, cauliflower with tomato and pork. This is a Chinese dish with the most common ingredients in grocery store. I hope you like it. It's super easy. You can make it at home yourself. It tastes really good with rice. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.